all of the deans, teaching and non-teaching personnel, parents, my fellow graduates, classmates, and also Tribunes, a shining morning to all of you. In IT education, we have studied about input, process, and output, or the so-called IPO. The input of the data to process in order to produce an output. In IT field, different outputs can help people, or the one who input, at latter part of the process. I think some of you now can conceptualize what do I mean with those phrases. Inputs are the hard works and sacrifices of our parents. Their support to satisfy our limited needs and wants. Their endless problems because of tuition fees, projects, activities, and allowances. These are the reasons why we were sent to school to process all of these ideas and be a great and good output as a person of God and a person with good moral through the help of our dearest professors, deans, and classmates. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Sir. This coming April 15, 16, and 17 will be the final or the goal of this process. To return back everything to our encoders, our angel, our parents, our guardians. Returning back not because we owe them, not because they reached their age of retirement, but because we love them. And we're here for them. By the way, my parents are not here, but I will not let them miss this message. That's why I'm recording this speech. To all parents and guardians who are here, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for support, care, and love. Thank you. We love you, and we will promise to do all necessary just to extend your smile and laughter. Thank you so much. In addition, I also want to say thank you to my second mothers, Mrs. Maribel Rivera, Mommy Gopalaki, and her first dean. Also, I want to thank Mrs. Arcelia Gonzalez Guerra, Janet Basilio, Belen Sapru, Levette Mendoza, and Marisa Chapo, and also Angelina Guevara. I would like to extend my gratitude to these people for accepting us. Finally, to my fellow graduates, of course, I did the honor to promise to your parents